Google Maps restaurant review dispute successful removal in 2026 actually works. Most restaurant owners waste months fighting fake reviews alone. Here's the proven system that gets policy-violating reviews removed in weeks, not months. The truth? Google removes reviews that violate their content policy. But only if you dispute them correctly. Most business owners submit the wrong evidence or use vague language. That's why 73% of first-time disputes fail. The restaurants that win follow a specific process that forces Google to review the actual policy violations. Imagine your dashboard tomorrow. Step 1. Screenshot the review immediately. Capture the date, username, and exact wording. Google's system timestamps everything. You need proof of what was originally posted before any edits happen. Step 2. Identify the specific policy violation. Google has 9 content policy categories: fake reviews, spam, conflicts of interest, offensive content. Don't just say it's unfair. Point to the exact rule broken. Step 3. Gather contradiction evidence. Did the reviewer claim they visited Tuesday but you were closed? Do they describe menu items you never served? Concrete proof beats emotional arguments every single time. Step 4. Submit through the correct channel. Most owners click flag as inappropriate and wonder why nothing happens. Use the Google Business Profile Help form. Include your evidence. Reference the specific policy by name. Step 5. Follow up strategically. Google's first response is often automated. Wait 48 hours. If denied, escalate with new evidence. ReputationZilla handles this entire escalation process because timing and persistence actually matter here. Now the numbers. Review platforms covered is 5+. Average DIY dispute success rate is 27%. Professional success rate is 73%. Here's what it costs. 5+. Compare these two paths. DIY disputes, 1 generic form submission. No follow-up strategy. No policy expertise. You wait weeks for a denial email. Then you're stuck with a 1-star review tanking your ratings. Your competitor down the street keeps winning customers. Versus professional dispute management, ReputationZilla analyzes the review against all 9 Google policies. We compile legal evidence. Submit through proper channels. Handle escalations. Track multiple platforms simultaneously. Your rating recovers while you focus on actual customers. Look at this detail. Fair warning: in 2026, Google's review policies are stricter but enforcement is slower. Their AI flags obvious spam fast. Subtle fake reviews require human review. That backlog means 4 to 6 weeks for resolution. Start your dispute the day a violating review appears. Every day you wait is another day customers see it and choose somewhere else. Biggest mistake? Responding publicly to a fake review before disputing it. That response stays forever even if the review gets removed. Now Google's algorithm shows your defensive comment to every potential customer. You literally created permanent evidence of a problem that might have been erased. Dispute first, respond never. ReputationZilla offers these services. Professional agency services. This is the form you fill in. Here's the full loop. Most people quit at week 2. Don't. Google Maps restaurant review disputes work when you use specific evidence and proper channels. Screenshot everything. Identify exact policy violations. Submit correct forms. Escalate strategically. Or hand the entire process to ReputationZilla and focus on running your restaurant instead of fighting Google's bureaucracy. Stop letting fake reviews kill your restaurant's reputation. ReputationZilla handles Google Maps disputes, Yelp management, TripAdvisor help, and reputation recovery across every platform. Get reputation help today at ReputationZilla.org. Professional reputation management for your business. Let us fight the review battles while you serve great food. Visit https://reputationzilla.org. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.